you probably seen in the title of this video, today is a tutorial on how to pick up a stick and place it on top of a car. So first thing you're going to want to do, you're going to walk over and you're going to go and find yourself a stick. Now, what you want to do with that stick, you're going to want to bend over. Now, at this part, it's optional. You don't have to do this, but you can. At this point, you can use one leg, but you can use one leg and then stick your tongue out, which I usually do. It usually helps with the process of picking up the stick, but you don't have to if it's easier the other way. Now, the next thing you want to do is you are going to want to go to your friend's phone.
Hey, get off that, buddy boy.
Poop. And you're going to want to do that. Now,
Bro.
you are going to want to take your stick. Now, I prefer to do it backwards. It helps a lot. And now, you're just going to slam it on the ground.
Aight, fine with me.
Now, you're going to ride it like a horse all the way around the car. And then, you're going to want to place it on top of your car.
Look at
That is how you do it.
E.